Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. This video we are discussing a topic absolute and relative errors from the course Mathematics for IT. Okay, so before starting the topic, please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes from this course. Okay, let us start the topic. Section number 1.5. The topic is absolute and relative errors. Okay, we need to study about two types of errors. Okay, we are using error measurement, we are using in numerical calculations. One is absolute error and second one is the relative error. So last sessions 1.4 we are studied how to round a number, how to chop a number, correct? If you have more decimal part in the number or bigger number, we are reducing the number, we are approximating the number, correct, by using rounding or chopping technique. So when we are doing rounding or chopping, okay, for an exact number, there will be some error will come in the calculation, small error, correct? So we need to measure that errors. So for that we are using the absolute error and relative error. So how can we find these two error? You can see first just to familiarize the notation. P means exact value. You remember last section also we are used the same notation. P means exact value and P star means the approximate value of the number. Approximate value means either we are using rounding or chopping technique, correct? Now for example, when we are going to the rule, what is the absolute error? Absolute error means absolute P minus P star. That means exact value minus approximate value. Okay, do the calculation, take the absolute of that one. Absolute means if number is negative, take the positive value, correct? Absolute P minus P star. And relative error equals absolute P minus P star divide absolute of P value. Okay, now absolute error we can use short notation A, E, and relative error you can use the short notation R, E, relative error. Now here one important thing I want to tell before, absolute error rule is P minus P star absolute, correct? Now if you are writing the same absolute of P star minus P, okay, answer will be same. Okay, so we can use this rule also, absolute P star minus P, because absolute symbol is there. Because of absolute symbol, answer will not be answer will not change, same number it will be, correct? So either you can use P minus P star or P star minus P. Now same way relative error also we can write the rule like this also, absolute P star minus P. I just interchanged P and P star. Okay, P star write first and P write second, divided by absolute P. Okay, this way also you can use the rule here for finding relative error. A simple example you can see, okay, how to do absolute error and relative error, and by calculator also I was given on this side how to find the value from the calculator. Okay, so use the same way when we are doing questions. Okay, so example, P equal to root 2. This is the number, exact value. P equal to root 2. Correct? You know what is the root 2? You can check by calculator. Root 2 means 1.414213562. Correct? It is more decimal, more digits are there in that number. More digits are there in that number. Okay, P equal to root 2. Now we are taking an approximate number, P star number, correct? You can see P star already I was written in the question. What is P star? 1.414. That means from this we are taken only 4-digit rounding number. See, 1.414. I took only 4 digits rounding number from that approximate value, because if we have more digits only we are doing rounding and chopping, we are approximating that number, correct? So 1.414, I took only 4 digits rounding number. Now when we are approximating the exact number to the 4 digit, how much error coming in the calculation? What will be the absolute error? what will be the relative error. That is what we are studying this section. Okay, so bigger number, more digits number, we are approximating to some digit, 3 digits, 4 digit, 5 digit, like that. Okay, so what will be the error in the calculation? It will be small error, small number. Okay, so you can see absolute p minus p star. So first we are doing absolute error here. In the first calculator you can see here I am doing absolute error, correct? So before that you can see absolute symbol. You can take absolute symbol in this calculator. What you need to do is you need to press shift button and hype button. You can see hype, HYP. Downside yellow color you can see ABS, absolute. Okay, so if you want absolute symbol, what we need to do, shift button then hype button, HYP. Okay, why we are using this shift button, you know, because that yellow color switch downside, down hype you can see ABS, absolute. Okay, so we will get absolute of that one. This symbol will come in your calculator, absolute symbol. Okay, so like that you need to enter. So first shift hype, so that absolute symbol will come. Then you can write what is the p number, exact number √2 and minus p star number, approximate number, correct? That is 1.414. So don't forget to put the absolute symbol. Okay, otherwise sometime minus number will get it. We need positive number. So you will get the answer 2.135, okay, 623731 multiplied 10 power minus 4. This is the absolute error in the calculation, absolute p minus p star. Now when we are going to relative error, absolute p minus p star divided by absolute p. Okay, so in this calculator you see, you can see one divide switch. See, numerator by denominator switch. Use that numerator by denominator always. See, numerator by denominator. So we can reduce errors in the calculation. Okay, when we are using calculator. So use that button, numerator by denominator. After that use shift button and hype button, so that you are getting absolute symbol. First press numerator by denominator switch, then shift hype. So you will get absolute symbol. Then you can enter the number p number and p star number divided by p number. You will get the answer here. What is the number? 1.51011422 multiplied 10 power minus 4. This is what we are calling relative error in the calculation. So I hope you understood how to enter in calculator absolute error and relative error. Okay, use the switch shift hype and numerator by denominator when you are calculating relative error. Okay, so this is the idea. We need to study this section 1.5. We will go to more questions from this. Okay, exercise 1.5. First question. Find the absolute and relative error. Correct? P equal to E and P star equal to 2.718. So what we need to do that question? We need to do what is the absolute error. You know what is absolute error rule? Absolute P minus P star. And we need to calculate what is the relative error. I am using the short notation. Absolute P minus P star divided by absolute P. Okay, we need to apply the number equals absolute P number. What is P number? E minus P star number 2.718. Check your calculator. What is this number? E means how you are entering in calculator? Shift len and power 1. Don't forget E means E power 1. Okay, and don't forget shift hype also for absolute symbol. So you will get the answer 2.8182849 multiplied 10 power minus 4. This is the absolute error in the calculation. Now same way we can do the relative error. Absolute P minus P star divided by absolute P. So absolute E, P means E, E power 1 minus P star means 2.718 divided by absolute P, that means absolute E power 1. okay, you will get the number 1.03678896 multiplied 10 power minus 4. Write the full digit number. Okay, later when we are doing question, we can reduce according to our question. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Go to the second question now. Find the absolute and relative errors. Find the absolute and relative errors. P equal to 8 factorial. You know what is the meaning factorial symbol, correct? And P star equal to 40321. What is the meaning factorial actually? For example, 2 factorial. What is the meaning 2 factorial? Means starting from number 1 up to that number multiply. 1 multiply 2, that means 2. Okay, for example 4 factorial. What is the number 4 factorial? Starting from number 1 up to number 4, all the integers multiply. 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. Starting from number 1 up to number 4, all the number in between multiply. 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. Okay, you will get the number from the calculator, okay, when you are checking. Now how to do this number in calculator, you know, okay, factorial symbol. If you want factorial from the calculator, just press shift button, okay, and you can see x power minus 1. There is one switch down to the mode button, correct, down to the mode button. Okay, factorial. You get in yellow color, you can see x factorial like this. Okay, why we are using shift button? Because we need to use that yellow color, that is why shift x power minus 1. For example, shift x power minus 1, use the 4 factorial. How much you are getting? 4 factorial. So type 4, after that shift x power minus 1, 4 factorial, you will get 24, correct? 4 factorial is 24. So this is the idea here, factorial symbol. You can use the calculator. So we are going to do first the absolute error. Okay, absolute P minus P star equal absolute P means 8 factorial minus P star means 40321. Okay, check the number. What I told, okay, shift x power minus 1 use, you will get answer equal 1. Now relative error, okay, relative error equals absolute P minus P star divide absolute P. You can apply the number equals absolute P number is 8 factorial minus P star number 40321 divide absolute P number 8 factorial. So that you will get equals 2.4801587 multiply 10 power minus 5. So this is the relative error in that calculation. Hope you understood this idea. Now we will go to some more questions, different type of questions. For example, perform the calculation, perform the computation. Question number 2, perform the computation 1 over 3 minus 3 over 11 plus 3 over 20 exactly first. What is the meaning exactly? P number we need to calculate, correct? Using 3 digits rounding. What is the meaning? Rounding means P star value, approximate value we need to calculate. After that, write what is the relative error. Relative error means absolute P minus P star divided by absolute P. P number we are getting from the A part, P star number we are getting from the B part of the question. So this is what the idea here. So we will do one by one. So first A part of the question, P number equal, exact value equal. So what is the question? 1 over 3 minus 3 over 11 plus 3 over 20. Okay. Now, before session, I told you how to find the exact value. Directly, this number enter in your calculator. Okay, in one step. So, when you are entering the calculator, see, enter like this. I will show here how to enter. So, first put the bracket, press the numerator by denominator, this switch. Okay, then enter the number there. First number is 1 over 3. Okay, then again minus, go to the next line, minus, press the numerator by denominator switch again, enter the number 3 over 11. After that, close the bracket, then plus, again press the button numerator by denominator. What are the numbers? 3 over 20, like this. Okay, then just press equal to, you will get what is the exact value, correct, without deleting any digit. 0.2106060606, correct. This is the exact value without deleting any digit, full digit. Okay, one time from the calculator. Okay, well, now we are going to the second part of the question, B part. This is what important part, P. Okay, P star equal to approximate value equal, using 3 digits rounding. So, what is the question here? 1 over 3 minus 3 over 11 plus 3 over 20. Okay, now rounding or chopping, you remember we discussed it separately, we need to calculate, correct. So, first we need to check what is 1 over 3, write that number here using 3 digits rounding, then 3 over 11, write that number 3 digits rounding, plus 3 over 20 calculating using 3 digits rounding separately here. Okay, so you can check the number one by one. So, first 1 over 3, 3 digits rounding, what will be the number? 0.333, correct. 3 over 11, what is the number? 0.273, plus 3 over 20, what is the number? 0.15. Now, again we are going to do the calculation. This bracketed number first simplify, equals 0.333 minus 0.273. You will get 0.06 plus 0.15 same, 0.15. Now totally you can calculate what will be the answer? 0.21, correct. This is the value of P star. P star equal to 0.21. You can see the P number and P star number, similar number, correct. It will be similar always, 0.210, here also 0.21. Okay, so P and P star always compare because should be similar number, near number. Okay, now we will go to the C part of the question. What is the C part? Find the relative error. Relative error. So write the rule, absolute P minus P star divide absolute P, correct. Apply the number. What is the P number? Absolute. P number is the full number, 0.21060606066, correct, minus P star number is B part we got 0.21 divide absolute P, that is full number again 0.210606066. You can check the calculator what is this answer. Okay, so in the calculation you will get 2.88 multiplied 10 power minus 3. Only we need to consider 3 digits rounding. Whatever asked in the second part, same number you can write. If you are writing full digit also, it is correct. Okay, I am just writing 3 digits rounding here. 2.88 multiplied 10 power minus 3. This is the 3 digits rounding number. Okay, why I am written 3 digits rounding? Because in B part it is already mentioned 3 digits rounding. So we can take same rounding to the relative error also. Okay, but we can write full digit also, no issue. Okay, so I hope you clear this question. Okay, now we will go to the next one, question 3. Perform the calculation. Perform the calculation. 147 plus 0.683 minus 139 exactly. So first we need to find P number. After that, using 3 digits rounding, calculate. So P star value we need to calculate. After that, find the absolute error. Absolute P minus P star. P number we are getting from first part. P star number we are getting from the second part. Okay. So first A part. Exactly. P equals 147 plus 0.683 minus 139. So exactly means directly enter in your calculator in one step. Totally, okay, not separate, totally. So you will get 8.683. 8.683. That is the P number, exact number. Okay, now approximate value is important. B part, P star equals, start from the question, 147 plus 0.683 minus 139. Now 3 digits rounding means approximate value means separately we need to calculate. First we need to calculate this number 3 digits rounding. After that the same number. Okay, so first bracketed term you can check equal 147 plus 0.683. That means you will get 147.683. Correct? But how many digits we needed? 3 digits rounding. This is the first, second, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? We need only 3 digits rounding. So these are the 3 digits number. Okay, after digit is 6. So we need to add 1 here, last number, because it is rounding. So add 1 so that you will get 148. Okay, so here we can write 148 minus 139 same. Okay, so what is 148 minus 139? You will get equals 9. Okay, so this is the P star value. P star value equal to 9. So we got P number and P star number. You can compare those two number. P number is 8.68. P star number is 9. See, it is near number, correct? Close number. 8.68 and 9. Now go to the C part now. Absolute error equals. Okay, when we are doing the calculation in 3 digits, how much error coming in the calculations? Absolute error equals absolute P minus P star. Correct? What is P? 8.683 minus what is P star? 9. So what will be the answer? 0.317. So that is the absolute error in the calculation. So it is easy. I hope you understood this idea also. Now we will go to the fourth question. Calculate. Okay, calculate 15 over 17 minus 21 over 33. Divide 3 pi minus 6 using 3 digits chopping. 3 digits chopping means we need to calculate P star value. Correct? Now, what is the second part? Find the relative error. That is the question. Find the relative error by comparing the exact value already given here. See, P number already given. Just to find the relative error. That is the second part of the question. Correct? Relative error. What is the rule for relative error? Absolute P minus P star divided by absolute P. Okay. So first we are doing A part of the question. P star value. P star equals. So as I told you last questions, we need to do all the calculations separately. First 15 over 17, 3 digits rounding, chopping, minus 21 over 33, 3 digits chopping, divide 3 multiply pi value, 3 digits chopping, minus 6. Okay, so we will do one by one. So first we are writing 15 over 17, this number. 15 over 17. What is 15 over 17? 3 digits chopping, cutting after digit. So you will get 0.882. 21 over 33. 3 digits chopping means you can check by calculator, 0.636. Divide 3 multiply pi number, 3 digits chopping, 3.14. Each number separately. Okay, minus 6 same. Clear? Now before going to the next step, you can check this number, 3 multiply 3.14. It is 9.42. Okay, now again simplify, equals, top term simplify first. You will get 0.246. 0.882 minus 0.636. That means 0.246. Now down term simplify, 9.42 minus 6. 3.42. Check this number. Okay, what will be the number? I will write on this side, 0.07192982456. Correct? How many digits are there in the number? 0. It will not count. Starting 0. Correct? Again 0. It will not count. So this is the first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits are there. Correct? We need only 3 digits chopping. Correct? So only this number, 3 digits number. Remaining digits we are just deleting. So here the answer becomes 0.0719. Correct? It's very careful that number, because first 0 it will not count, but we need to write. This 0 also it will not count, but we need to write that one. Okay, now we will go to the B part of the question. Find the relative error. Correct? Relative error equals absolute P minus P star divided by absolute P. Okay, equal. What is the P number apply? It is given in the questions, 0.07182635126 minus P star number, just now we calculated, 0.0719. Divide absolute P, absolute 0.07182635126. So check the number from the calculator. You will get equals, you can take 3 digits chopping number, because our question it is mentioned 3 digits chopping. So you will get 1.02 multiply 10 power minus 3. This is the 3 digits chopping number. I hope you understood that question. Okay, we will go to the next question now. Question number 5A part. Now we are doing some extra question from here. Okay, so we will discuss question number 5A. Let f of x equal sin x plus ln x divide 2 power x. Using 3 digits rounding, evaluate f of 3.56. Using 3 digits rounding means we need to calculate P star. Correct? F of 3.56 value, approximate value. After that, find the absolute error. That is the second part of the question. Absolute error. What is the rule? absolute p minus p star. Exact value is given 0.073210411101. Okay, so we will start the question. First A part, p star, okay, or f of 3.56 equal, okay, f of x is given, so just apply x number, this one 3.56, x equal to 3.56 in our question. So sin x 3.56 plus ln x means 3.56 divide 2 power x means 3.56. Okay, now all the calculation we need to do 3 digits rounding, correct? That means this one we need to do 3 digits rounding separately. Ln 3.56 3 digits rounding, 2 power 3.56 separately 3 digits rounding. So you can do like this, 3 digits rounding first one plus 3 digits rounding second number, down number also 3 digits rounding. Now before doing calculation you can check your calculator should be in radian mode. Check your calculator display, top side you can see one R. R means it is in radian mode. Okay, if it is not radian mode you need to change. How to change this calculator? Shift button, then mode button, shift mode. After that you can see rad. Rad means radian mode. What is the number? Number 4. Okay, so select number 4, select number 4 so that you can get radian mode. Okay, if you want to change degree mode later you can use shift mode 3. 3 is the degree mode. Okay, so default we are doing radian mode here, sine function is there, so radian mode it should be. Okay, so use this one, shift mode, rad mode. Now we will calculate. Okay, so first sine 3.56, what is the number you can check? You will get minus 0.406, 3 digits rounding number. Okay, 3 digits rounding number. Ln 3.56 you will get 1.27 divide 2 power 3.56 you will get 11.8. all are 3 digits rounding separately. Okay, now numerator term you can simplify, minus 0.406 plus 1.27 you will get 0.864 divide 11.8. now totally you can calculate, you will get this number, correct? 0.073222033 like this. But how many digits we needed? We needed only 3 digits, correct? So as I told you before, first 0 it will not count, this 0 it will not count. So this is the first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth, fifth, like that. Okay, we need only 3 digits rounding. So these are the 3 digits, 0.0732. But next digit is 2. So we don't want to round the number, correct? 5 or more than 5 only we need to round. Otherwise, just the same number, correct? 0.0732. So I am writing the answer here, 0.0732. This is the approximate value. This number we are calling P star number, approximate number, correct? Using 3 digits rounding number, P star number. Okay, now we will go to the error part, B part of the question. Find the absolute error. Absolute error means, what is the rule? Absolute P minus P star. Okay, apply the P number and P star number. What is the P number here given in the question? 0.073210411101 minus P star number we wrote here 0.0732 equals. What is the answer? Using 3 digits rounding, you can write the answer 1.04 multiplied 10 power minus 5. That is the absolute error in the calculation. I hope you understood this question. Okay, you can do separately by using calculator. All are like practical questions, so we need to practice, okay, by using calculator. Okay, now we will go to the last question here. Question number 6. Let f of x equal to cosine x over x plus 1 plus e power x over tan x. Use 3 digits rounding. Evaluate f value at 1.03. 3 digits rounding means we need to calculate p star. Okay, using 3 digits rounding. After that, write the answer in normalized decimal format. This is the B part of the question. Normalized decimal format. Okay, first A part we are doing. So f of 1.03. This is the question. Okay, f value at x equal to 1.03. Just apply x number first in our question. So cosine x means 1.03 divide x means 1.03 plus 1 plus e power x means 1.03 divide tan 1.03. Okay. Now, as I told you, we need to do calculation separately, like this one separate, 3 digits rounding, separate, 3 digits rounding. Okay. So here equals, first cosine of 1.03. Using 3 digits rounding, you will get 0.515 divide 1.03 plus 1, 2.03 plus e power 1.03. E means shift length, power 1.03. Okay, you will get 2.80 divide tan 1.03 means 1.67. Okay, now again we will do this one separately, check what is the answer, 3 digits rounding. This one separately, you can check what is the answer, 3 digits rounding. So equal. So first one 0.515 divide 2.03. Number will be 0.254 plus 2.80 divide 1.67 means 1.68. 1.68. Now you can check totally what is the number, 1.93. This number we are calling the approximate number or p star value. Okay, p star value 1.93. Now B part of the question. What is the B part? Write the answer in normalized decimal form. Write the answer in normalized decimal format. Correct? So what is the answer? P star value. P star equals 1.93 is the number. So what is the normalized decimal form? Starting from 0 point, write all the digit 193, multiply 10 power. Correct? Before the point, how many numbers? Only one number. So multiply 10 power 1. Correct? Multiply 10 power 1 because before the point only one number. So we can write multiply 10 power 1. That is the normalized decimal form of the answer. I hope you understood the idea in this section 1.5 section. All the ideas we did, all the questions. So you can practice all these questions. Okay, thank you for watching this class. Please subscribe and like my channel for getting more videos about the workshop or some software related classes. Thank you for watching again.